Uguta doing in the southern region that you want to put them in Akwa Ibom and Ibibio? What is the reflection? Not even that you put them to River State. I mean, what's the relationship? How do they share any boundary with the people you want to join them with? But you just want to cap them out. You just want to grab it from the Igbo man. And you know what? Most Igbo people don't even understand it. The West is going to support them, and I'll tell you why. They want to pipe, you know, gas from Ohaji to the south, to the west, because they don't want to be dealing with Russia again in this their gas region, and you know, giving them money to fight them. Are you getting the point? So they want to deflect Russia by getting gas from another source, and that source is Nigeria, and that Nigeria is Igbo man. Just Google this largest gas deposit in Nigeria. They want to take that away. Now that bill, I'm told, is going to be presented to the president to present it as an executive bill. What should Ohaji Egbema be doing in another place outside the southeastern state? Why do you want to bring in some states, some areas to yourself in the southwest, and now want to deplete the southeast? What kind of unfair country is this? Now, when you take away all those gases, you go and build Fort Mainland Bridge. When an Igbo man is plying the road, you tell him to go back to his area. Meanwhile, the resources you're using to get those things done is being gotten from his farm, from his village, from his area, and he wouldn't have a right to it. You understand? So, this is unfair. Abaribe, you've been in that Senate for so many years. That bill shouldn't see the light of the day. For them to even want to present it, they should go take out that Ohaji Egbema from that southern region. I just don't get it. Everybody comes and he wants to manipulate, and I'm fucking gonna give people money. Again, when the mother go now, you see them start misbehaving. Every person who is an Igbo person, go and follow up on that bill. Go and read this thing that I am saying. I saw it on Vanguard, one of the national dailies, where the proposed bill is comprising part of Ohaji to another place, they call Southern region. And if they decide, I think that's what I understood by what I read there. So if they decide, means something like a referendum, which is what Nnamdi Kanu has been proposing, and you renditioned him from Kenya, still in jail. If you're giving people now right to decide where they want to belong, what is Nnamdi doing in jail? Why is he incarcerated? These are the questions. People don't, they wear black and black, they waka like Toro. These are things you equally have to go there and hit out. Stop playing to the gallery of wanting to impress everybody. Are you getting the point? Certain things, you take the right course. Right course means things like this shouldn't see the light of the day. You don't speak and in the cause of wanting to make everybody see you as being nationalistic. Even when it's obvious that you have to say the right thing, you're not going to say it. Why should that bill come up with Ohaji going to another place outside Igbo land? Because of the gas, natural gas. Oh, in the next 10, 15, 20 years, nobody's going to drive cars with petrol anymore. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? So gas is going to be used for every other thing in the world. And they're looking at that small, tiny dot that our former president called it. They're so blessed. You're dealing with them. They're so hardworking, working their ass out. Everywhere overseas, you see them hustling, trying to get things done, bringing money to their people in the southeast. And you're just there because you have executive power, not planning for the good of everybody. You won't carry on Haji, give another person. You know, go walk. You know, go walk. We should all be mindful of. What is Ohaji?
Trying to carve out Ohaji Egbema from Igbo land is the last thing anyone can do to Igboland, and this can never be allowed to happen. This is an insult on Igbo people. I thank this man for his sensitization call. Biafrans, this mischievous plot must not see the light of the day.